Taylor Hendrix was just 11 years old when she began having excruciating pain in her arm.
I was swimming every day and we just thought it was a normal pain. And then one day it just kind of became a little unbearable.
After undergoing testing at Children's Hospital in Birmingham, Alabama, Taylor was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, a type of bone cancer typically more common in teenagers and young adults going through a growth spurt. She started chemotherapy 2 days later.
When you get diagnosed, your world kind of goes to a standstill and everybody else's just kind of keeps going.
Her cancer treatment seemed to work at first, and she underwent reconstructive surgery on her arm. She was doing well for 18 months and then relapsed. The cancer had spread to her lung, making it difficult for Taylor to breathe.
I had had so many bad things happen, I was just waiting for the next shoe to drop.
Taylor had to have her lung removed and enrolled in a clinical trial at Texas Children's, funded through an infrastructure grant from Alex's Lemonade.
Just even getting the chance to be a part of that was, amazing because, at some point they're like, we don't know what all we can do, for you, to get rid of this for good.
The ALSF grant program funds research every step of the way, from early stage innovative research all the way through life-saving clinical trials for children with cancer.
When we heard about it and met with Dr. Ahmed, it was kind of like, okay, this thing actually works, and it was possible because of Alex's Lemonade Stand. And, then when, I received it, and then, after all these years, I'm like, okay, well, that's the thing that did it.
Taylor had beaten cancer, but was concerned about potential side effects on her body.
With treatment, you have so many issues afterwards, like infertility, arthritis, you just have all these things that you didn't necessarily think about because in the thick of it, you're just trying to survive.
Part of Alex's mission is to search for safer treatment and cures for children in an effort to mitigate the long-term effects of treatment.
Infertility, that side comes from all the chemotherapy and the treatment that they use to try to save your life. And so what's so cool about what I had done with the HER2 study is it doesn't affect that. And so if we could have that from the beginning, for a lot of these kids, that would be, life-changing.
Now, married with a child of her own, Taylor says being a mother is an incredible gift.
Definitely didn't think I would ever be here, with him. And so it's really surreal. Sometimes I still look at him like, are you mine?
She also became a pediatric nurse, working with children facing their own health challenges. Now, at 26, she says she has incredible gratitude for the work Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation is doing to help other children and families like hers.
It's very important to donate and to make it possible for all these other kids that hopefully will not have to go through, the harsh treatment that most kids have to go through right now. But obviously with you guys, it went to the right place and it worked.